Good morning, everyone. So last night I decided to stop using openclaw. I was using Opus 4.6 as the model for openclaw anyways, and that's what Claude code is. So last night I created a couple skills to recreate what I had made in openclaw. So these are the two skills I created, the markets skill and the poly skill. The market skill is right here, and it does all of this. Just by typing /markets. Like openclaw, it is downloading all the data, analyzing it, and then it's going to update the dashboard. It is still a work in progress, but it covers all the main sectors that I care about to build a general picture. Let's see, it shouldn't have made any changes. It's always something. It was just working before I pressed record. There we go. Let's clear this out. So now I want to work on my polymarket dashboard. These are what the agent picks. These are the plays that it has picked out as worthy trades for the moment. It gives you the thesis behind each one. And since it found these trades, this one's down 8, down 4, down 5, down 2, up 45%, down 42%. So basically slightly down overall. But like I said in my last video, I want to expand this to look for different strategies, and that's what we're going to do today. So this file are some YouTube transcripts that I grabbed, and I'm going to, let's just do it. The file there are YouTube transcripts. I need you to go through the entire thing and look for actionable strategies that we can use in the poly market. And let's see what we can do. Holy cow. Now let's create a strategies folder, and we need to put each one of these in there so we can start breaking each one down. I don't want the strategies folder in the knowledge folder. Just put it in the regular Claude Trader folder. Whatever. I use a text dictator. It transcribes what I say and puts it where I want it. It saves so much time over typing it out. I'm so used to typing it out. Look over this project folder, specifically the polymarket section, and see what APIs you could benefit from me adding to it. Now that we have the strategies, we need to see what we can do to test them maybe. I don't want to start building all the strategies all at once, but let's get a couple of them, and we need to scan the poly market and find trades. The dashboard also needs to be updated with the strategy. It'd be a new section below the oracle's picks. Let's just start there. I didn't think I had the Gamma API. I was expecting this to tell me I need it. That's new. I didn't know that it dropped down to a lesser model for the easy stuff and uses the expensive one for the good stuff. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and maybe even throw a comment down there just to help push this content out there to more people. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. But all of these plays aren't necessarily designed to go to completion. It's just to play the premium increase based off of news. Any war headlines is going to increase this. Anything that talks about peace or no news is going to decrease this. And this one is just playing the spikes and drops and volatility for Bitcoin. But I don't like that we're playing both sides. But all that can be changed. I want to add all the pictures. But it's a problem for another time. What in the world is this? Guaranteed 21, cost 79. We're going to have to explain that one a little bit. Now explain to me the different strategies and how each of them work. That we just added to it. So I get why it's picking these. I just don't like. So there's only almost an hour and a half left. It's at 97 cents. In an hour and a half, it'll be worth $1. So you profit 3 cents a share on this one. Interesting. Let's read. In multiple outcome markets, if the price don't add up to $1, there's free money. Here's how it works in practice. Take how long is a government shutdown last? 11 different outcomes, 1 day, 2 day, 3 is must be true, right? 15 cents, but one of them must resolve to. Okay, so let's of the remaining strategies, which one should we use next? Well, dang it. I guess that's going to wrap it up for today. I hit my limit and cannot continue until 1 o'clock. So I guess I'll go bowling. When we come back from this timeout, I'm going to update the skills file to narrow this down. That's too many trades, in my opinion. We need to be a lot more selective, like we were up here. You could spread load this over $100, $1,000, and take your chances. There's too many here to do the same thing. But this bundle arbitrage, I need to make a note. For the bundle arbitrage, what is the percentage in the top right corner? And then we also need to make a note to update the skills.md file for the polymarket skill.